So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy call options on stocks in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go down to the magnifying glass on the bottom left and press on the search bar. So for me, I was actually looking at options recently, but if you're on this screen, for example, you may be on the stocks tab. If you want to go ahead to the options tab and then press on more, then you can go ahead and view all 850 symbols that offer options trading. So for demonstration purposes, how about we use Amazon.com? Like I said before, just for demonstration purposes, this can be for whatever stock you want that offers call options here in Canada. So we're going to go ahead and press on we're going to go ahead and press on Amazon, but Apple would work the same as well. Now, if you want to buy a call option, all you got to do is where it says Amazon will rise, press on where it says rise. So for me, it actually means that this is a call option. But for example, if you're on the put option tab, simply just press on where it says Amazon will fall, change that to a call option, and it'll definitely mean that Amazon will rise. Now you can go ahead and change the date as well. So if you wanted to change the date to a future date, you can go ahead and view whatever date you want. So we'll just go ahead and do that. Then you can go ahead and actually view all the different options here in regards to a call option. So if you want to go ahead and press this one, for example, $133 USD, we'll go ahead and press on that. Then you can simply go ahead and just press on buy. And if you have options trading turned on your device, which I do not, but if you do, you can go ahead and press buy and go through the process of buying a call option that way here in Wealthsimple in Canada. So I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.